Hey guys, Mr. here for Mr. City Product Review as well. Got another Subway sub. Something I haven't had before. Italian herb and cheese foot long. But I've gone chicken strips. I've gone pickles, capsicum, shredded cheese, tomato, cucumber, and lettuce with sweet chili sauce. I've never had their sweet chili sauce. I'll let you know how it goes. Another fantastic service by the guys here at Kalkallo Subway. Here we go, into my pelican light mouth. The sweet chili that has a little bit of chili kick. It's not overly sweet, it's quite balanced, that sauce, so it works well. If I had my time again, I wasn't too sure how hot the sweet chili was going to be. Opted for the pickles. If I had my chance again, I'd probably lean in and get some jalapenos. Would I rate this combination? It's very simple. I think something that would work well on top of the sweet chili would be like a little bit of mayo or garlic aioli and mix that with a sweet chili. That would probably work really, really well with the chicken and everything else I've got on here. But for what I've ordered, I'm just going to give it an 8. Really fantastic. Catch you on the next.